Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn how we can declare constant variables in Python. So without any delay, let's get started. So what are constant variables? A constant in Python is also a variable, but it is not mutable. Okay? A constant variable is used to hold constant values, mathematical constants, or any constant term for programming purpose. A constant variable should be written in capital letters and underscore. Unlike any other programming language, Python don't have concept for constant variable, but we can realize it using a separate .py file which will hold all the constants, and we will import it to our working file and use it. So now if this sounds a bit difficult for you, let me explain it a bit further. Basically, Python doesn't have any inbuilt support for constant variables. So if you are from any other programming language background like JavaScript or some other programming language, you know there you have a different kind of variable which are known as constant. So if you use constant variables, the value of those variables cannot be mutated. And if you try to mutate those values, it will throw an exception. Okay? But in Python, there is no such support. But still, we can use constants in Python. And there are some norms which you need to follow. The norm which I suggest is basically, you create a separate file for the constant variables. You declare the variables and their values. And always remember, the constant variables should always be written in capital letters. Then finally you can import that constant file, which is a Python file, to your main working file, and then you can use those constants. Okay. So now we have discussed what are constants and how we use constant variables in Python. Let's go to VS Code and understand by an example. So welcome to VS Code. Now we are going to see how we use constants in Python. So first of all, I will create a file known as constant.py. Okay. Here I will create one constant, that is pi equal to 3.14. Okay. And then I will get another file 4.py, that is my main working file. First of all, here I will import constant. Okay. Thereafter, what I will do, I will declare the radius. So I am taking radius equal to 5. So what is the area? So if you have forgotten, area is basically pi r square. So I will say area equal to constant dot pi into radius into radius. Okay. Finally, I will print the area. So basically pi means 3.14 into r square, that is into r or into radius into radius. So if everything works fine, we should see the area of this circle which has a radius 5. Let's run the code and see if it is working. So we will open our terminal and write python 4.py. And as you can see, our code is working perfectly fine and we are seeing 78.5. Okay. So basically that is what I wanted to teach you in this video. Whenever you use any constant in Python, always try to declare that in a separate Python file and make the name of the variable in capital letters. Then finally import that file into your main working file and use it as and when you need. And here finally I am printing the area just to show you that our code works. Okay. Let's go back to the presentation. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like it, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.